being successful on YouTube? Is it about quality or quantity? What's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to answer the question, when it comes to YouTube, is it about quality or quantity? Now, usually when people get started with YouTube, one of the first questions is always, well, how many videos should I put out, right? And how often should I put them out, and what should the quality be, and all this stuff. And everybody has their own opinions. You could watch a million different videos, and everybody's gonna have their own take. I personally have my take, and here's what I think. It all depends on your niche. Now, overall, I do believe that quantity does count, especially this day and age. The way YouTube is constantly like feeding off of fresh content. YouTube really responds to fresh content and consistent content, right? So if I had to say, instantly I would say quantity, plays a part. But quality obviously is kind of like common sense. You do want to have quality videos, but I do really think it depends on what niche, what your channel is about. Because, for example, in the how-to niche, right? Like how to build something, how to get in shape, how to fix something, how to make money online, right? To me, those videos are easier to produce a lot of, right? And because when people watch these videos, for the majority, they're watching them to learn something. They're watching them for information, right? So 9 times out of 10, if you're actually giving good quality and actually delivering something in your videos, the actual quality, far as like production and special effects and all that, is not really necessary. With that being said, it will allow you to be able to create more videos. Now, if you're, in a different kind of YouTube channel, maybe you're doing more like comedy sketches or animation, or even I don't know, I can't think of whatever, where you got to put more effort into it, and then your target market might expect quality, then you're not going to be able to, in most cases, produce a ton of videos that are all high quality, right? So it really does depend on, your audience, your, what you're trying to do, and what you have to work with. Like me, I got like 6 different YouTube channels right now, and I shoot most of them right here. You know what I mean? And it's just a wall behind me, a window, my laptop, desktop. I mean, it's pretty simple, so I can fire out a lot of content, right? So, but like I said, if one of my other channels, I do like videos, like showing workouts and stuff like that. It takes more effort, so I can't put out as many of those videos where I got to do a lot of editing and messing with like doing a lot of cutting and stuff. I can't produce as many videos. So you want to keep that in mind. But if my final thing is, you want to combine the two. If you can pop out a lot of videos that is decent quality, go for it. But I'm not trying to put pressure on you, because I've seen people in the how to make money online space. I seen one dude got way more subscribers than me, and he puts out a video like once a week or once every 2 weeks. So it just really depends. But me personally, I notice when I put out more videos on this channel, I'm getting more subscribers. Thank you, by the way, to all the subscribers. And if you're watching, I appreciate if you subscribe. But I notice more engagement. I notice more comments, more subscribers, the more I put out content on a regular basis on this YouTube channel. I try to put out at least 5 videos a week. And even sometimes, because I want to get my videos up, so I might even on the weekends maybe throw out 2-3 videos on the weekend. So if you can combine the two, I think you'll be doing really good on YouTube. Obviously, you want to do your keyword research and kind of know what you're talking about, know what your audience is looking for, and just roll with it. You know what I mean? I was gonna say something else. I forgot. I can't think. But yeah, I mean, ultimately, oh yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Be consistent too. So if you know you can't do 3 videos a week, if you already know that, then don't. You know, if you 100% sure you can do 1 video a week, that's better than doing 5 videos this week, 1 video the week next week, 0 for a month, and then come back with 2 more videos. Like, nah. If you can only do 1 video a week, at least do 1 video a week. Trust me, if you're just getting started, you might be working, you might be doing other stuff. But you want to do YouTube at least once a week. But if you can, get it up to 3 to 5 videos a week, and I really think you'll be on the right track. All right, so that's my take on it: quality versus quantity. I'm gonna say roll with quantity. Get them at least at the beginning, man. Get that content out there. Me, real quick, closing this video up. Like, I feel like, especially in the how-to space, if I can like share something or give somebody, let somebody learn something new in my videos, whether they're 3 minutes or 6-minute videos, as long as I'm providing some sort of content, I'm good. You know, just like this video right here, if you watched it all the way through, you can be like, oh, okay. Maybe you'd be like, yeah, maybe I don't have to, you know, buy $3,000 camera and go hire me a director and producer. You know what I'm saying? So take it for what it's worth, guys. Hopefully this video helped you out. And if you're looking for a home business, you're looking for passive income, definitely check out Genesity. Link in the description of this video. And one more thing too. If you're just starting with YouTube, or you know having trouble with YouTube or whatever, trying to get keywords and finding topics and stuff like that, check out Traffic Xtractor, guys. That's the software that I use. It will help you find keywords, and it'll help you outrank your competition on YouTube. That link is also in the description, so you could check that out. That's it. All right. Be sure to comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.